Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Edu Portal. So in today's video, we will see how to integrate your Google Meet in your Google Classroom. So in the last video, we have seen how to create a Google Classroom. We have created one class, we added materials into it, we conducted assessment using quiz and assignment. So today's video, we will see how to conduct live classes using your Google Classroom. But this Google Classroom directly will not support you, but we are going to integrate this Google Classroom with Google Calendar. Okay, from there you can access your Google Meet, so through which you can go live online and you can conduct your classes. So let us see how to do that. So we will see how to schedule a live class. So go to your Google Classroom, access your Google Calendar. So click it here. So this is your Google Calendar. See, different dates are available and different timings. You can schedule when you want to have this class. So example, I am scheduling it now. So let me schedule a meeting. Just click here. You can give the title for your class. Say this is Business Statistics Session 1. Okay. Then the timing, it is 1:30 to 2:30. So whatever time you want to give, you can give it. Then you have to add a Google Meet to this. Only then your Google Meet will be get integrated with your Google Classroom. But the limitation is we can accommodate only 100 participants. And this is your complete link. You can just copy this link and have it with you, because this link we have to share it with the students. So just save it. So an event is being saved in your Google Calendar. So now you go to your classwork. So this is your classwork. So you can add that link here itself, so that student can directly come to your Google Classroom. From there they can access it. So just create a material. Here you say Business Statistics Class Session 1. Then in add, you can copy that link. Okay, just give add link. Online video meeting will be added here. You can just post it. Okay, so now it is being posted. So in your stream you go and see, you posted a Business Statistics Class Session 1. So they have to access from the classwork. Now we'll go and see how it will look in students view. This is the student view. So the Business Statistics Class Session 1 is available and the Google Meet link is available. They have to just click here to join the meeting. You can also share it in the stream, the link. So here you have the option for sharing with your students. You just click here. So click below to join the Business Statistics Session 1. Okay, then I can just add. Give the link, copy paste your link, add link. So it is available. I can just post it to the student. So your student can join your class either from this streaming or from their classwork. Okay. So before let the student get into the meeting, let me join the meeting. So just click in the class video meeting. So Google Meet will open like this. Default your camera will be starting, your voice mic also will be starting. If you want to change it, you can just hide this. Because if you are a teacher, you have to turn it with your mic. Okay. If you want to turn off your camera, you can turn it off. Otherwise you can keep it open. So just you are making yourself ready, then join now. Let us add the student into this meeting. So this is the student view. So they will click here. Again it will ask them whether they have to start with the mic or video, camera, all those. So ask to join. So now the student is asking to join because we have to let them in. See, someone wants to join your meeting, you can admit. This is the way you can join to the meeting. In people view you can see whoever the people are there in the meeting. In chat window, whoever wants to communicate something, they can communicate. And if you turn on these captions, whatever you speak, everything will be displayed down. So even people who are not able to hear your voice, they can understand by with the captions. That option is also there. And if you want to present, you as a faculty, you want to share your PPT mean, just click on the present now. Your entire screen or a window, whatever you want to choose, you can choose. So your entire screen means just select this entire screen will be shared to them. Okay, so from that any PPT you have, you can just choose it. So just select it, share it. So now you are presenting. So whenever you want to stop presenting, you can just say stop presenting. Okay, so for leaving the meeting, you have to just click here. Okay, this will leave you. Okay. So this is a way you can schedule your Google Meet or online class through Google Calendar. Share that link with your students and you ask the student to join your live class during that particular time. I hope you understood how to schedule a Google Meet or a live class using your Google Meet from Google Classroom. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Thank you.